This is Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Today we're going to do a product review from CampChef. This is their PRO90X Deluxe 3-burner stove. Not only is it great for outdoor cooking, camping, but it's also phenomenal for your backyard cooking as well. Let's go ahead and go over some of the accessories of this amazing grill. When we first started camping with our travel trailer, one of the obstacles that we had to overcome was feeding our family of 6 and sometimes more when we had friends invited. The grills that typically come with these travel trailers are fairly small and can only feed 3 to 4 people at a time, so we needed a solution. CampChef solved that problem. One of the accessories you can get with their stove burner is their Deluxe Bbq Grill Box. As you can see here, there's ample room for cooking burgers, steaks, and more. Plus, there's an available burner that you can use for a stock pot or some of their other accessories. Another accessory that our family absolutely loves is their pizza box. Not only can you cook pizzas in here, you can also use this as an oven to do, chocolate chip cookies, brownies, and more. One of the accessories that I use most often is the cast iron flat top. With this, the possibilities are limitless. I use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, both while camping and at home. These are just a few of the products and accessories that CampChef has to offer. Make sure you check them out and their website. Also, I'll be doing upcoming videos where I'll be cooking outdoors while camping and in the backyard. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.